Love and light, beautiful people. Love and light. Hello, beautiful people. So today's recipe is beef stroganoff with egg noodles. So you want to boil your egg noodles for about 5 minutes, and you want to cook your ground beef with whatever seasoning you have at home. I use salt, pepper, paprika, and tomatoes and tomato paste. So my egg noodles are cooked. And then once the ground beef has been fully cooked, you want to remove it and place all of it on a plate and keep the oil that's going to be left behind in your skillet. I added half a cup of red onions finely chopped to my skillet, and you want to cook this down as well. And I also added about a cup of sliced portobello mushrooms to the same skillet, and you want to cook this down. You want to cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then you add the ground beef back to your skillet. This is a very simple and easy recipe. I hope that you guys love it. It's good for like a weekday when you're coming home from work. So once you've added your ground beef back to the skillet, I added heavy cream. You could really use any cream that you find at home. And I also added sour cream. You want to add about 1/4 cup of sour cream. If you don't have sour cream, you could even add, sugarless yogurt. And this is it, people. You add the pasta into the skillet. You mix it all together. And then as garnishment, I added chopped parsley. I hope you guys enjoy this very simple recipe. Please feel free to subscribe, comment, and like down below. Thank you.